Today I'm going to show you why you never have to purchase seeds to grow your peas ever again. There's no doubt that peas are one of my favorite vegetables to grow in the garden, and they rarely even make it inside the house because I eat them right off the vine. But most people buy seeds every year, and it's just ridiculous. They're one of the easiest seeds to store for next year, and I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. As you can see, all of our peas are dried on the vine, and here's one, but it's still green. That's not what we're looking for. Let's take a look for one that is ready to be picked. This is what we're looking for. This guy is completely dry, and we're going to pull him off, and we're going to save him for next year. Let's take a look at how many seeds we got. And one thing before we do, make sure you label the year and what they are. I planted pea seeds from 5-6 years ago, and they still sprout. And what I wanted to show you is these are the good ones. What I do is I leave some on the vine purposely that are nice and big, just like that. Those are the ones you want. These little shriveled up ones, I still plant them, but they won't make your big vigorous vines. Like you can see, this pod only had 1 seed in it, maybe 2 seeds. But this one has maybe 8 or 9 or maybe even 10. This is what you want. So not a bad batch. This will supply us for next year. For my garden, I need maybe 50 seeds a year, and it can get quite expensive if you're buying them because some of those packets only have 20 seeds in a pack. So there you go, save your seeds and you'll never have to purchase pea seeds again. Hey, if you like this video, check out this next one coming up. I'm sure you're going to like it also.